Oh my god, we're on a liner kick right now.
And I know it's the right time. Can't envision nothing else. I need you right now. Need you when I feel down.
Hello everyone, happy Saturday. So as you guys know, on Saturdays I do PR unboxings where I get to show you guys the new launches for the week in beauty products. So hair care, makeup, skincare, you know, all that fun stuff. I also do a giveaway in every single video. So if you guys want to enter this week's giveaway, just feel free to click the link down below and that's how you enter, and give the video a thumbs up. So let's go ahead and get into these new launches. And by the way, I selected blue, but it's coming off purple. So I'm gonna have to play with the lighting a little bit more the next time, but it's different. It's fun. I love it. So let's go ahead and get into these boxes. All right, so first off, we've got some new launches from Makeup Forever. They sent over their new Aqua Resist eyeliners. Live Intensely, their 24-hour wear, waterproof, smudge-proof, sweat-proof, and liquid. Send it over in this cute little bag. I literally just said on Instagram stories about how I've been doing liner again, and I would love to play with some colorful liner. I think that would be so much fun. We've got it in white, we've got it in brown, we have like a burgundy color, orange, or like a bronze. Then we've got like a metallic gunmetal, black, which it looks like are these two different black ones? What's the difference? This is matte charcoal, and then we have matte plum actually. So, oh, I can kind of see the coloring right now. It looks black right here, but I think it's the lighting. So plum and black, and then we've got, this one looks like a blue. Yeah, midnight right here. And I'm super stoked about this. This is their graphic pen. And these are mainly what I use the most. So, oh, and it's a forgiving pen, so it like moves. You know those ones that are really stiff? You just can't maneuver them. They're not fun. This one you can maneuver, and it's nice and black. So I'm excited to try this guy out because I've been obsessed with liners, and I'm gonna play with these ones too. I feel like white might be really fun as well. Shake it. Oh yeah, white would be so much fun to create like fun little looks with them. Because again, I'm playing with them. So anyways, thank you Makeup Forever for sending these over. I cannot wait to test them out. Next up, from Glow Recipe here. I love this little, woo, about knocked me in the nose. This one is their new Strawberry Smooth BHA and AHA Salicylic Serum, clarifying and retexturizing. Oh, this is another nice one. This is gonna be 2% BHA. It's gonna help resurface the skin. It's a cute little strawberry. Their packaging always wins in my heart. I love it. It's even the shape of like a little strawberry. It'd been cute if they would have done like a little green cap to it. But this is adorable. So thank you so much, Glow Recipe, for sending this one over. With my serums and everything, I try to slowly try out new products. Right now, I am using some from Beauty Counter that I've been really loving. I talked about them on a recent video. Love them. That one, I like their moisturizer, has been so good. But we'll slowly incorporate this in there, and then I'll let you guys know what I think about that. So cute. Got a package from Benefit. Oh my god, we're on a liner kick right now. I'm like so excited. New They're Real Extreme Precision Liner, extra black and extra brown that they sent over. Then they also sent over their Real Magnet Mascara. So love that. Love this. Cannot wait to try these out. So we've got brown and black. So let's test this one out. Oh, this one is nice. Oh, I think I'm gonna like this one too. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. The one that I've been using right now that I love is the Ofra Cosmetics one. That one's been bomb, but I'm so stoked to try out some other ones, and this is so cute. And this also has a forgiving tip to it, so it's not stiff. So it's easy to maneuver and just like do that flick, like wing and flick, you know? Way easier to do your liner when they do that. So thank you so much, Benefit, for sending this over. So stoked to try these out. This is so beautiful. This is from Lancome, you guys. Oh my gosh, they even sent a really cute little vase to put it in. I'm gonna put it in there real quick. Let me get this out. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. New background plant. Anyway, so Lancome sent over some new perfumes here. They also sent over a card. Over the past 10 years, our timeless La Vie Est Belle perfume has become an emblem of joy, encouraging those who wear it to choose their own path to happiness. We are so proud to share our newest member of La Vie Est Belle family. With this new fragrance, Lancome writes a new chapter of saying yes to happiness and embracing new opportunities. This Mother's Days with Lancome, don't say it only with flowers, but give her a bouquet of happiness. Oh, I love that. That is amazing. So this is the new one. I am so excited. I am obsessed with Lancome fragrance. It was funny. I've gotten so many compliments on the other one that I had from them. I will find it and I'll link it down below. It's a skinny one. And I used it all up. I literally just ran out of it probably a couple days ago. So look at how beautiful this is. Oh my gosh, this is absolutely stunning. Now let's smell it. Oh my gosh, this is like my scent. It's got a very flirty, fruity, but classy date night scent. Like, this is gonna be my new favorite. This is amazing. Oh my God, I love this. And then we've got the other one here too. I love it how they gave them like little scarves. And we're gonna spray the card on this one. Oh, this one smells really good too. Oh my gosh, this is hard. This is so hard. This one I feel like has maybe a little bit more spice to it, but not like a whole lot of spice, but like it just has a little bit more I don't know how to describe it. This one's very light. That's what I should say. This one's very light. Like, this is a really good, you could wear this one any time of the day, but I would say like really good during the day. It's got a very light, fruity scent to it. Again, very flirty. And that's like those are my favorite scents. Like the ones that are girly, flirty, and fruity, but they still have a little bit of a classiness to it, like going out. Like, I don't know. I really suck at describing scents. I'm in love. Thank you, Lancome. I appreciate it. I'm so stoked to be stocked back up on perfume. Next up, we have a package from L'Oreal, and they sent over their Elvive Dream Lengths Curl. So we have their moisturizing push shampoo. We also have their Moisture Seal conditioner. And what is this baby right here? Oh, ooh, yeah. This is a no buildup curls micellar shampoo, sulfate free, hyaluronic acid, castor oil, gently cleanses hair and scalp, hydrates curls. I need to try this. Oh, I need to try this. So does your hair feel limp and heavy, too much buildup? Does your hair care routine need a refresh? Like, honestly, it's so smart to use a product like this at least once a week to get rid of all that buildup, like from dry shampoo or product that you're putting in your hair. It really does a huge difference, and it's nice that it's sulfate free. So it's going to really help purify that scalp and remove dirt, oil, and product buildup. So I am stoked. I'm going to use this tonight. I'm actually going to I have one more video I want to film today. So probably going to wash my hair right after that. So that's great. And then we also have a refresh and reshape leave-in spray right here. So thank you, L'Oreal, for sending this over. Cannot wait to try them out. All right, so I went through a lot of my packages to help me catch up with everything because I was so far behind, and I found this one in there, and this is from the holiday. I think this is the holiday collection with Sigma. It's their Ambience collection. I just had to save it and show it to you guys because it is freaking gorgeous. Holy moly. How pretty is that? Yes. So I'm going to take it out and I'm going to show you guys the products because when I saw this, I about died. I was like, oh my God, this is such a gorgeous, gorgeous collection. Okay, so again, this is the Ambience collection. It came out, oh wait, no, it's not a holiday collection. It just looks like a holiday collection. Oh shoot. We're about a year late on this collection. This is from May. Oh my God, we're so late. But you know what? May of 2021 was not the easiest time. No, I really fell behind during that time. So this is the Golden Hour collection. I don't know if any of this is still available, but if it is, I will link it down below. I'm so sorry, Sigma, but this collection deserves some spotlight because it's freaking gorgeous. So the whole thing, you can get it for $186. Came with this really beautiful bag right here, which is great for travel, makeup, and the brush set. Hello, to die for. those handles. And then Sigma brushes, I mean, they're perfect anyway. So this is amazing. I love this. So we got that. Then we've got these really beautiful glosses right here. I'm actually going to jump into this guy, right? This one. This is Brilliance. Oh, I love a good gloss. Love that good gloss. The gloss is gorgeous. If you're wondering the lip color that I'm wearing, it's from Becca. It's the sugar one. It's the one that I love. It's discontinued. I bought so many of them and I've been running out of all of them. I can't live without it, and I'm gonna have to learn how. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but yeah. RIP. Anyways, Sigma. This is Glow Kissed. And oh my God, this is beautiful. Look at this highlighter palette. Ooh, ooh, oh my goodness. Yeah, even though I have highlighter on right now. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, this is so pretty. This is so pretty. I know, Ollie. Thank you. Thank you for chiming in. I know it's gorgeous. So that's beautiful there. And then I'm really excited to get into this. So they always come out with a dual ended brush in their palette, but look at this color scheme right here. This is my color scheme. These are colors that I wear. I love this. I love this. This is gorgeous. Even this Firefly one right here would be so pretty all over the lid. Oh, that is so pretty. That is stunning. Oh my gosh. It truly is golden hour in a palette. Like, I think this might be one of my favorite palettes from them for their color schemes. Like, this is stunning. Oh, I love that. So thank you, Sigma, for sending this over. I'm sorry I'm so late on it. I will be using it, and if I can find it still available on their website, I will link it down below for you guys. Next up, we have a skincare product from Ren, and this is their Ever Calm Barrier Support Elixir. Oh my gosh. This line from Ren, I love. Their calming line, if you have sensitive skin, you need to try out the calming line. It's so good. They have a really good calming balm. So this one, it says nourishes and soothes, and it's for sensitive skin. You warm 5 drops in the palm of your hand and apply gently all over the face, and you use this daily. So you could use this in the morning or at night. So definitely going to try that one out too. We've got a lot of serums and elixirs to test out. Oh my God. Yes, yes, yes. I have been eyeing these on Sephora and I was like dying over them. So I got the Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer Blushes. You guys know how much I love a cream blush. So oh my God, I'm so excited for these. These things look so beautiful, guys. They also sent over a cute little water canister. We've got 5 blushes here. I am so excited. Let's see, what is Mediterranean? Oh, this looks like a beautiful, like just neutral one. Oh my gosh, yeah. Okay, so this one's like kind of like a muted peach coral right there. This is beautiful. This is a great neutral blush right there. So we've got that. Then we have La Piscine. It's got more of a pinkier feel to it. Oh yeah, La Piscine right here, you guys. La Piscine is gorgeous. And then we've got Provence. These are very like neutral colors. They're nice and muted. Oh, that one's beautiful too. Look at that. Oh, that's gonna be another one that I'm gonna love, especially for nighttime. It's a little bit more. Oh, these blend so nicely into the skin too. So I cannot wait for those. Those are going to be gorgeous. Oh my gosh. And I like the formula too. They blend out easily. They feel good. I cannot wait to try these out. So thank you so much, Laura Mercier. You made my day. You made my day. All right. So that is everything in this PR unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Entered the giveaway with the link down below. Good luck to everyone. And I will see you guys all in my next video, which, by the way, if you are not subscribed yet to Life of Maddie, make sure you subscribe over there. I post a lot more videos and a lot more variety of content over there. Here, I've been just kind of sticking with makeup and just doing the PR unboxings. But if you guys want more content, go to Life of Maddie. I'm putting out a lot more stuff over there, and I really love that channel. And then I've got some exciting things down the line that are coming that I've kind of like talked to you guys about. So there's a lot that's going to be happening and talked about in these next few months. So get ready. We're about to go on a roller coaster, and it's going to be a fun roller coaster this time. So I'm excited. I'm really excited to share more with you guys on what is coming up. But thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.